Negara Vice Chairman, Secretary, Treasurer, PO, kind of stuff. And on some committees, the respective villages where Otakaran for meet about the not of the priorities yan. Alright. During meeting flow kita na, what I come up with them now, what the priorities.
Daddy,
And
look
what the
what
priorities yan, ino what the committees seleba tu, what the Karen. What the committees yan, Karen tu, what the villages where what the talent that you will village osen, you will Karen na, each osen. Yeah? So during the meetings flow kita, what sa presenting na each committee, each life project what otakare pag each village flow kita. So these pala priorities na become otak meet lo that pala time then otak sabi decide na for submit in Campo province. Otak committees lo village flow pa one pala representative. Ebahan sa karen kam na what priority lo village yan. So tanya pa lo meetings flow kita WTC then sa talent mo na what priorities flow kita. So since province pa kami ask